vertical integration and a myriad of informal practices, rebates and various preferential deals are responsible for making the building supplies market anti-competitive. And I want to give you one example. Knauf, one of the world's biggest manufacturers and suppliers of wallboard, tried unsuccessfully to break into the wallboard market in New Zealand a few years ago. And in fact, they were helped into it through getting a contract in Canterbury as part of the post-quake rebuild. And a year and a half later, they pulled out. And the reason is what I believe are anti-competitive practices, and vertical integration shut them out of the market. And we're talking about, I think, the world's second biggest supplier of wallboard. They couldn't break in. Now, I complained to, as an opposition member, I complained to the Commerce Commission about this and said, you've got to look at the wallboard market. And the Commerce Commission, whose job it is to ensure that we have competitive industries in this country, they did look at the wallboard market and they concluded that the kinds of rorts and informal practices that everyone knows are going on were in fact happening, but the legislation that governs the Commerce Commission prevented them from doing anything about it because it wasn't blatant price fixing or collusion. So I formed the view then that there are some things that we need to do as a country to open up the building supplies market, make it more competitive. The formation of a buyer's cooperative, I think, is one of the best ideas that will allow us to do that. And it offers the very real prospect that small and medium enterprises in the construction industry can come together and exercise the kind of market power that only the big guys can at present.